students, good evening. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of May 29 and 30, 2021. Top 15 questions with the answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. When is International Mount Everest Day celebrated? Answer. May 29th. International Everest Day 2021 is celebrated on May 29 every year. This day is observed in the memory of the first summit of Mount Everest by New Zealand's Sir Edmund Hillary and Nepal's Tenzing Norgay Sherpa that took place on May 29, 1953. Second question. RBI has imposed Rs 10 crore penalty on which bank for irregularities? Answer. HDFC Bank. Reserve Bank of India has imposed a Rs 10 crore fine on HDFC Bank. The monetary penalty has been imposed on private sector lender for contravention of provisions of Section 6(2) and Section 8 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949, the central bank said in the statement on Friday. More points. HDFC Bank Limited is an Indian banking and financial service company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. HDFC Bank is India's largest private sector bank by assets and by market capitalization as of April 2021. It is the third largest company by market capitalization on the Indian stock exchanges. CEO is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Headquarters is at Mumbai, founded on August 1994. Third question. Recently, which COVID single dose vaccine is approved by United Kingdom? Answer. Janssen vaccine. The UK's medicine regulator on Friday approved Janssen's single dose COVID-19 vaccine for use. Britain's Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency said that doses were expected to be available in the UK later this year. It is developed by Johnson & Johnson Company. Fourth question. Which state government has introduced Guardian Minister system recently? Answer. Assam. The Assam government will start Guardian Ministers system by giving each of 14 ministers to 3 districts for supervision of all aspects of the government policy. Himanta Biswa Sarma is an Indian politician and current Chief Minister of Assam. A former member of INC, Sharma joined BJP on 23 August 2015. He was born on 1 February 1969. Current Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi. Current Affairs of Assam. Jishnu Barwa, Chief Secretary, Assam, on May 8, 2021 launched a digital real-time flood reporting and information management system in the state of Assam. Second point, Ajanda Niyoj has become the first woman finance minister of Assam. This is the first time in Assam's history that the post of finance minister was allotted to a woman. Fifth question, which Indian short movie has won grand jury prizes in IFFLA? Answer. Bittu. Dubey's Bittu, which was in the race for nomination at 2021 Oscars, bagged the grand jury prize for the best short. A jury comprising of Milan Chakrabarti, Nathan Fischer and Jen Wilson declared Tamil's Sethuman as the winner of Grand Jury Award for Best Feature. IFFLA. The Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles, IFFLA, is an annual film festival held in Los Angeles, California. Established by Christina Marouda in 2003 as a non-profit organization devoted to paving the way for a greater appreciation of Indian cinema and diverse culture by providing the public with selection of films from and about Indian diaspora by Indian and international filmmakers. The first IFFLA was held in 2003. First audience award for Best Picture is Kannathil Muttamittal. Sixth question. Where will be the remaining matches of 2021 IPL cricket tournament played? Answer: UAE. The remainder of 2021 seasons of Indian Premier League will be held in UAE during September-October window. Which bank has granted Rs 100 crore for COVID-19 relief in financial year 2021 and 2022? Answer: HDFC Bank. The country's largest private sector lender, HDFC Bank, on Friday committed Rs 100 crore for setting up medical infrastructure for COVID-19 relief in 2021 and 2022. Eighth question. Which state government has announced to distribute 8.6 lakh tablets to students? Answer: Haryana. Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has cleared our request to distribute these tablets to students class 8 to 12, as we are aware that those studying at the government school are economically weak and lag behind the mode of education, the minister said while addressing a press conference at his Jagadhri residence. Ninth question. Name the woman climber to broke the record for the fastest climb on Mount Everest recently. Answer: Chang Ying Hung. Hong Kong mountain climber Chang Ying Hung has recorded the world's fastest ascent of Everest by a woman with a time of just under 26 hours, a Nepal official said. First Indian woman in Indian history. Mother Teresa, first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize in 1979. Indira Gandhi, first woman Prime Minister of India. Pratibha Patil, first woman President of India. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman in space. Kiran Bedi, first woman officer in India. Fatima Bibi, first female judge in Supreme Court. Saina Nehwal, first Indian to win a medal in badminton at Olympics. Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Anna Malhotra, first woman IAS officer of India. Harita Kaur Diol, first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force. Priya Jhingan, the first Indian woman to join Indian Army. Mary Kom, the only woman boxer who has won a medal in each of the 6 World Championships. Next question. Who has been reappointed as the new president of Syria? Answer: Bashar al-Assad. Bashar al-Assad has been re-elected for the 4th term as president of war-torn Syria with 95.1% of votes cast in government-held areas. Official results have shown after a vote dismissed by opposition and Western powers as a shame. More points. Bashar al-Assad is the 20th and current president of Syria. Bashar is the son of former president Hafez al-Assad, who was the longest serving president, serving 29 years. Second point. Bashar is currently the second longest serving president, making the 20th year of his presidency in 2020 when he entered the post on 17 July 2000. Syria. Syria, officially the Syrian Arab Republic, is a country in Western Asia bordering Lebanon to the southwest and Mediterranean Sea to the west, Turkey to the north, Iraq to east, Jordan to south, and Israel to the southwest. Its president is Bashar al-Assad. Capital is Damascus. Population is 1.71 crore. Currency is Syrian pound. Official language Arabic. This is Syria and its capital Damascus. 11th question. Who is hosting 12-week virtual world literature workshop? Answer: Surendra Singh Negi. The first week of June brings an opportunity to forge a literary connection with Latin American countries in a virtual way. Hyderabad-based Surendra Singh Neji is hosting 12-week online literary workshop with a special focus on short stories. 12th question. Who has announced 10 lakh fund for kids orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer: Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday announced that all children who have lost both parents or guardians due to coronavirus will be supported under PM Cares for Children scheme. Second point, the Prime Minister said that such children will get a monthly stipend once they turn 18 and a fund of 10 lakh when they turn 23 from PM Cares Fund. 13th question. How many Indian peacekeepers are to be honored with UN prestigious medal? Answer: 3. 3 Indian peacekeepers who laid down their life while serving in the United Nations peacekeeping missions last year are among 229 military, police and civilian personnel honored on Thursday with prestigious UN medal awarded posthumously for courage and sacrifice in the line of duty. Next question. Who has been confirmed as the first female army secretary? Answer: Christine Wormuth. US Senate confirmed Christine Wormuth, an international security expert and Defense Department aide during the Obama administration, as Secretary of the Army on Thursday. She is the first woman to serve in the role. 15th question. When is World No Tobacco Day celebrated every year? Answer: May 31. World No Tobacco Day is observed around the world every year on 31 May. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.